The 1964 Little League World Series was held in Williamsport, Pennsylvania, the end of August 1964.
Monterey, Mexico meets Staten Island, New York in the Little League World Series. And destined to be the boy of the hour is Staten Island pitcher Danny Jacarino. A capacity crowd sees the 12-year-old mow down the opposition as he heads for 8 strikeouts. But little Danny's dreams of glory aren't confined to the pitcher's mound. In the very first inning, the Staten Island pitcher hits a home run to put his team in front 1-0. Then an 8th grader in junior high school has his entire family in the stands thrilling to his feet. The Staten Islanders back up their pitcher as they score again in the second inning to make it 2-0 as the Monterey catcher drops the ball. Jacarino keeps bearing down. If he doesn't strike out the Mexican lads, he has them grounding up. In the 6 regulation innings, he only allows 3 balls to be hit to the outfield. Danny shows an overhand curve worthy of someone twice his age. He gets Julian Castillo to fly out and end the 4th inning. Monterey puts in a new pitcher, but he can't stop the Staten Islanders as a hit and run scores the 3rd of their 4 runs. Danny Jacarino goes into the final inning with a perfect game going, and he is 4 runs to the good. Amid groans from Danny and his teammates, he walks Francisco Moreno, the first Monterey batter to get on base. But the whiz kid is little dismayed. He picks up another strikeout and then gets an assist on the final out. Danny Jacarino has his no-hit, no-run game, and there's no happier kid in the whole wide world. The Little League World Champs, everyone a big leaguer from head to toe.